Om Shri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online class in mathematics. I think all of you are full of spirits. You had your lunch, is it? Or breakfast? Okay. I think all of you ready with the book and pen and all for writing. Huh? Okay. Have you done the homework? Yes. If you're not done, we'll see it now. So before you come to the today's topic, we'll just revise what we have seen in the previous class. First one about meaning of the word percent. All of you are good in cricket, right? Most of you know like cricket. In cricket, one word is very interesting, and that is called century. Century means how much? Century means 100. So if a person gets 100 of, we call it a century, and they will sweep the bat, right? Is it not? You have seen, na? So cent, the word cent here is of the Greek origin, which means per 100. So even 99 is not 100. So in exam also you should try to get out of out. What do you mean out of out? 100 out of 100. Will you try? Especially it is possible in mathematics and science also. So that is a very interesting thing. Now also we have seen that percent can be written in the form of a fraction. Suppose you say a boy has scored 50% of marks. How to write percentages? How to write it in fraction form? Fraction form is percent, means per 100. So 50% can be written as 50 by 100. And if you simplify it, it becomes 1 by 2. That is called fraction form. And also it can be written in the decimal form also. Same thing. How do you write in decimal form? 0.5. That 1 by 2. Divide that 1 by 2. Then you get 0.5. So reverse also is possible. That means if fractions are given, that is what you call as vice versa. If fractions, for example, if you give this fraction as 1 by 4, how to convert a fraction into percentages? Multiply by 100. So if you want in percent, multiply by 100. Is it clear? If you want in fraction, divide by 100. Or decimal also, divide by 100. So this will be equal to 25%. Is it not? Similarly, if you have a decimal, like say 0.3. 0.3 is a decimal, having one decimal point, one place. How to make it in this percentage form? Into 100. It will be equal to 30%. So that is how you convert percentage into fraction, percentage into decimal. So fraction into percentage, decimal into percentage. You already studied this, just for reminding. Is it not? Your mind, you will be always forgetting things. Some interesting things it will remember. Only certain things which are not so interesting, we will forget easily. That's why you are recalling once again. So determine the specific percent of a number or a quantity. We change the percent to a fraction or a decimal and then multiply. Is it not? So for example, if you want to find out percent of a number, what is 10% of 120? So 120 is a number. 10%. Question is, what is 10% of 120. And how do you do it? What do you mean 10%? 10% means 10 by 100 of any number given, 120 or 1000, whatever it is. Multiply and just simplify it. You get 12%. 12 is the answer, not percent. 12 is the answer. Is it not? And even if we say, if the cost of 1 kg of sugar is say 50 rupees, 50 rupees, what is the cost of half kg? Is it not? So what you do is, you divide this and you will get 25 rupees, right? 25 rupees. So, or you can say, what is 50% of 50% of 50 rupees? Means the same thing. 1 za, 2 za, that will be 25 rupees. So 50% means divide by 100 into given number or quantity, whatever it is. That is how you do it. Okay. Now one more thing is, you have studied about profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is cost price minus selling price. What do you make cost price? The original price. Suppose this pen cost 10 rupees, that is called cost price. And while selling, what they do? They will make some profit also. They add some profit, right? So then it will be called as selling price, shortly called as SP. And cost price is called as CP. So SP minus CP becomes profit. If the 10 rupees pen is sold for 12 rupees, what is the profit? 2 rupees is the profit. If the same pen, 10 rupee pen is sold for 8 rupees, what will happen? It becomes loss. Loss. Is it not? So loss will be 10 minus 8, that is 2 rupees is the loss. Similarly, you can find out the percentage of profit and percentage of loss. Profit can also be called as gain, gain percentage, gain by cost price into 100. Loss percentage, loss by cost price into 100. Here the percentages should be calculated only on cost price, not selling price. Please note. Just now I was telling about pen. So in this case, 2 rupees is the gain. Cost price is 10. So 2 by 10 into 100. Is it not? So that will be 20%. And here also, suppose you say loss, here loss is 2 rupees. Loss is 2 rupees, cost price is 10. So 2 by 10 into 100. Loss is 20%, we say. Is it not? So don't forget that the gain percentage or loss percentage is calculated on cost price. Okay. So these are the things we already studied, right? And now coming to home assignments. Cost price of 15 articles is equal to selling price of 12 articles. See, here is the interesting question. So cost price of 15 articles is equal to rupees 15. And this is equal to selling price of 12 articles, that is also 15. Okay. Now, so selling price of 15 articles will be 15 by 12 into 15. That will be 225 by 12. 225 by 12. And if you simplify, 3 4s are, 3 7s are, 3 5s are. So that is how you got this. Are you following? Now what is the gain now? Gain will be selling price minus cost price. So this is called selling price 75 by 4 minus cost price. How much? 15. Okay. So this will be equal to 75 by 4 means you can write in decimals also, you can write in fractions also. Suppose you write in fraction. So if you take LCM, LCM is 4, 75 into 1 minus 15 into 4, that is 60. That is 15 by 4. That is a gain. What is the gain percentage? Gain percentage is gain by cost price into 100. What is the gain? 15 by 4 is the gain. By cost price. What is the cost price? 15 rupees into 100. So these two cancels. 4 1s are, 4 25s are. It will be equal to 25%. They are asking gain percentage. Okay. So 25% is the answer. Followed? So this is a first question answer for the first question. Okay. Now coming to second question. Bhanu purchased a certain number of oranges at the rate of 2 for 5. 2 for rupees 5. So for 5 rupees he purchased 2 oranges. So let the number of oranges be x. Whatever they ask, na, that you must take it as x. So cost of 1 orange will be 2 cost 5 rupees. So 1 cost 5 by 2. Something like say 2.5, 2.5 rupees. Selling price of that orange and sold at the rate of 3 for 8 rupees. So that will be 8 by 3. That is selling price. This is the cost price. So naturally there will be profit. No businessman will start a business without profit. Many of you are business people. Your parents may be having small business, right? And don't forget, to be a successful businessman, should always have a smiling face. You must talk to the customers lovingly. You must welcome them. Customers are like God for the business people, right? So, so you will get a profit. Selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 8 by 3. Cost price is 5 by 2. Take LCM. 3 2s are, 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are, 3 5s are 15. So 16 minus 15 is 1 by 6. But by question, you are given that profit gained is 20 rupees. So we have taken number of oranges is x. So profit is 1 by 6th of x. 1 by 6th of x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 into 6, that is 120. That is the number of oranges. So number of oranges is equal to, always underline the answer, 120. You can verify it if you want. For example, so 120 rupees. So here 120 oranges. Here suppose you say this is 2.50 each. So if you multiply this, and you can try here by applying this. So this is an interesting question. That is, cost price is 5 by 2, selling price is 8 by 3, and profit is 1 by 6th of that. So you get number of oranges is equal to 120. Is it not? So That is the answer for the second question. And now let us see today's topic. Now this type of advertisement you might have seen, especially during Dasara, during Deepavali and Christmas, New Year's Day and so on. You will be seeing so many displays like this. And in paper also, newspapers, you get so many things like that. Diwali offer, they say. Not Kannada Diwali. In Kannada Diwali means extinguishing. English Diwali. So Deepavali offer 50% off, they say. Then you may get a doubt. How can they sell at such a less price? They will never do mistake. Don't think that they will do mistake. And they will be never at loss. Always they think of the profit only. Have you seen the advertisements like during festival seasons? Sale discount up to 50%. And sometimes they rate for selected items. And Deepavali Bonanza, 20% discount on all items. So many things are there, you know better than me, is it not, about discounts. So in general, what do you mean by discount? Reduction in the price. In order to increase the sale or clear the old stock. Why do they give discount? They give the discount to clear the old stock. Especially clothes and all, no, they should not keep for a long time. So they have to clear it up. Or to make more sales. Even there are some hotels who give very less price. Masala dosa will be sold for about 20 rupees, 25 rupees and so on. Why do they do it? Because there will be a lot of rush. When more people take masala dosa, the quality, the sales become more, turnover become more. That is the reason. So for some goods also they will give in a very less price. And shopkeepers offer a certain percentage of rebate. Rebate means was reduction in the price on the market price. This rebate is known as discount and usually represented by percentages. Okay, just as this. So 50% off means if 100 rupees article is there, they are giving it 50 rupees. That's the meaning. So that is what is called as discount sale. Especially in festivals they do it. And market price means what? That is also called list price of an article is a price at which the article is listed for sale. Since this price is marked on the article, it is called as market price. In every article they write below what is the selling price, maximum selling price they write. Or write a market price. So actual cost of the article they write it, that is called as market price. Discount means reduction from the market price for some reasons, either for clearance of stock or for having more business. They will call what is called discount. Now comes selling price, SP. SP stands for something else also. Do you know what is SP? Yes, for police also they use the word SP. Superintendent of police we call. And SP means he will be in charge of the district, whole district. All policemen will be under the control of that SP. But here it is not that. Here it is selling price. So in case of discount selling, the price of the article obtained by subtracting the discount from the market price is called net selling price or selling price. Suppose if there is a goods or a shirt, for example, 100 rupees, and if they give a discount of 20%, so 100 rupees is called market price, 20% is called a discount, and selling price will be 80 rupees. That is what is called as selling price. Okay, and this discount will be represented in terms of percentages. Okay, always when such questions are given, you must write what all the things given. Say market price of a ceiling fan is given rupees 1250, and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 6%. So 6% means how much? 6% means 6 into 100 into 1250. That will be equal to 5 2s are 5 25s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 25 into 3, that will be equal to 75 rupees. So that is the discount offered. So what you must do with discount now? The question is, so 75 rupees is discount. Question is, find the selling price of the fan. Selling price means market price minus discount. 1250 is a market price, discount is 75. If you subtract 10 minus 5 is 5, 40 minus 7 is 7, 1, 1. So 1175. That is the selling price. Is it okay? Simple. First you must write market price, discount offered, then selling price. Is it alright? Okay, shall we move to second question? Okay. A washing machine listed at rupees 18,000. So, market price of a washing machine. How many have got washing machine in your house? Some of you may have, especially those students who are from cities. In villages, they usually wash in hands. So 18,000 is the market price or list price, what you call. So what is the selling price? Here he goes to the market and asks for the washing machine. There are so many companies. One of the companies is LG company. Prestige company is there, LG company is there, so many companies, Sony is there. You must see which is the best company. And here they have written it as selling price is 16,200. So cost price is 18,000, selling price is 16,200. So what is the discount? Discount is equal to, discount means what? Reduction in it, is it not? So 2 zeros, then 10 minus 2 is 8, then you have 7 minus 6 is 1. That's all. So much of rupees, 1,800. The question is rate of discount offered. Rate means what? Percentage. Therefore, percentage of discount. How do you calculate? Percentage is to be calculated for 100%. So what is the cost price? 18,000. And what is the discount? 1,800. What is the percentage? You have seen the formula? discount divided by cost price into 100. So 0, 0 cancels, 1, 0, 1, 0 cancels, 18 ones are 18 ones are. You have 10%. 1 into 10 is 10%. That is the answer. Already got it? This is what is called as market price. This is what is called a discount into 100. Why you must do 100? Because rate of discount is asked. So that is why it is done like that. Okay. Now we will pass on to next question. Shantaram, a wholesale dealer's list price of a laptop. What do you mean laptop? How many have seen laptop? Why it is called laptop? They would have given head top, hand top. Why do you call it laptop? Laptop because you can operate by keeping on your laps. How many have got laptop in your home? Yes, some of you may be having. So the cost is 40,000 rupees. Market price of a laptop is 40,000 rupees. But it is available by a retailer by name Avinash. He is a dealer of laptops. He gives a discount of 20%. So discount of 20% means how much? For 100 rupees 20. For 40,000 how much? So be careful about zeros. These two zeros cancels. You get 4 2s are 8 followed by 3 zeros. So 8,000 rupees. So much of discount. But still he gets profit, that you must note. Even if he gives rebate or discount, he will be getting still profit. That they don't tell. So MP is 40,000 minus discount is 8,000. How much it comes? It comes to 32,000. That is the cost price of the retailer. Now he want to sell it for 15%. This is for the business people. You know, that they call retail shop. Wholesale shop will have thousands of such models, laptops, or at least some hundreds. The retail shops will have a very minimum. So for retailers, they give concession like this because they should also get profit now. But this retailer is very intelligent. He wants to get a profit of 15%. So what is the selling price? How much cost he will be selling it for a customer? That is the question. So CP is how much? 32,000. Is it not? Into 100 plus profit percentage 15 divided by 100. So that is the selling price. So here 0 0 cancels. You have 320 into 115. So answer will be 320 into 100 plus 15, 115. You just calculate how much it comes and write the answer. Okay. Can you try yourself? Okay. Or let me also do it. 320 into 115. 500, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. Then 100, 1 2 are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 0, 2, 3. Add all these things. You get 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 is 6, 3. 36,000 800. So, he has to sell it for 36,800 rupees. Is it alright? So, what you have done it? First is 20% discount that you calculated, it came to 8,000 rupees. Then 40,000 is the market price minus 8,000. So, 32,000 the wholesale dealer Shantaram sells it for Avinash. And what does Avinash do? He wants a profit of 15%. 15% means how much? That you are calculating here. So, 32,000 is the cost price, 100 plus 15 by 100. Don't cancel here. So, you have 0 cancels, 320 into 115 comes to 36,800. Is it alright? Come on, let us pass on to next problem. Dhanush marks on the suitcase 25% more than their cost price and allows a discount of 10%. What is gain or loss? When you get gain, gain will be selling price minus cost price. Is it not? So, here you must find out whether it is gain or loss. And how do you do it? First is, let the cost price of an article be 100 rupees. We do not know the cost price. Therefore, we will take it at 100 rupees. Then market price will be 25% more than the cost price. So, 100 plus 25% of 100, that is 25. That will be 125. How do you got 25? 25% means for 100. So, 0 cancels, you get 25. So, 100 plus 25 is 125 rupees. Discount offered, he allows a discount of 10%. So, now net selling price will be 125 minus 10% of 125. So, 125 minus, what is 10% of this? 12.5. How do you get it? 125 into 10%. 10 by 100. So, 5 are 4 are and 2 2s are 2 5s are. So, 25 by 2. How much 25 by 2? 12.5. That's how you got it. Now, subtract this. This will be 112.5. Is it alright? How do you got it? 125.0 minus 12.5. If you subtract, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is it alright? So, you have 112.5. And now, you have to find out gain. How do you find gain? This is selling price and this is a market price. Is it not? So, how do you get it? Market price minus 125 minus 112.5. That will be equal to 12.5. That is a gain. And you asked to find out the cost, gain percentage. So, 12.5 is a gain because you have taken the cost price as 100 rupees into 100. So, these two cancels, we have 12.5% is the answer. Gain percentage. So what you have done? First you have done 25% more than the cost price. So let we have taken the cost price as 100 rupees. Then 25% becomes 25, 100 plus 25. Then he allows a discount of 10%. So 10% of this will be 12.5. 125 minus 12.5 becomes 112.5. So gain will be 125 minus selling price, that will be 12.5. So 12.5 by 100 into 100, that will be 12.5%. Is it all right? Come on, note down. Noted? Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Same type. Ganasham, another businessman, buys shirt from a manufacturer at the rate of 175 per shirt and marked them as 250. He is a pakka businessman. Actual cost is 175, he rates at 250. Of course, he may have some reasons, because he has to give salaries to all the people who sell the things, electricity bill, building cost, transportation, so many things will be there now. So naturally it is allowed. He allows some discount and earns a profit of 28% on the cost price. At what percent discount does he allow to his customers? So he says some discount is given. Even after giving discount, he gets 28% of profit. So now question is, what is the discount percentage to be given? So first you must write down what are the given things. Cost price of one shirt, 175 rupees. This is the cost price. And selling price is, market price is 250. By getting 250 rupees, he gets a profit of 28%. Now we shall find out the selling price. This is the cost price, this is the market price. That is written on the shirt. So formula is CP into 100 plus profit by 100. So CP is 175, 100 plus profit is 28% by 100. Don't cancel here, you simplify and then cancel. 175 into 128, 100 plus 28 by 100. So it will be 25 4s are, 25 7s are, and 4 1s are, 4 3s are, 4 2s are, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22. So 224 rupees. Now discount offered is market price, this is the market price, minus selling price. Selling price is 224. That is the discount. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 26 rupees. That is the profit he gets. Now discount percent. Discount is 26 by market price. Market price is 250 into 100. So 55s are, 52s are. So 26 into 2, how much? 52 by 5. 5 10s are 50. 5 4s are 10.4%. So that is the discount percent. Okay. Are you understanding? Here there are 3 prices. One is called cost price, another is called market price, third is called selling price. First what you did, you found out the selling price by using the formula. You got it as 224. Then you found the discount. How do you find discount? Market price 250 minus selling price 224, the discount 26 rupees. Next is discount percent. Discount by market price into 100, that will be like this. So if you simplify, it will be 52 by 5, that is 10.4%. Okay. So 3 marks question. Be ready for such questions. Now we will see Swami's quotations. Money comes and goes, morality comes and grows. Are you understanding what is? So I explain it next time, okay? Thank you. Now we have to see the homeworks, home assignments. A shirt with market price of 375 is sold at a discount of 15%. Find its net selling price. Just now you worked out on that. A pair of socks marketed at 60 rupees is being offered at 48 rupees. Find the discount percent being offered. A shopkeeper marks his goods at 50% more than their cost price and allows a discount of 40%. Find his gain or loss. Okay, come prepared? Okay, thank you.